Welcome, children. Today we'll be seeing some application of force and pressure in our day to day life. You know that force is that cause which changes or tends to change the state of the body, that is, rest or motion of a body. It also changes the shape and size of the body. Okay, and the force applied in unit area, pressure is being created. So wherever force is applied, pressure is generated. So we will see what are some applications of force and pressure. Where do we use it? So since we know that in fluids the pressure increases with depth or the height, so we know the concept of the pressure, that when the depth is increases, pressure increases. So because of that, the base of the dams are made broader to withstand those high pressure. Okay. Submarines, the outer structure of the submarines are made thick. The walls of submarines are made thick so that when it goes deeper inside the sea, it can withstand the pressure. Blood transfusion. Okay, so when the bottle is hung at a higher position to increase the pressure of liquid, so we see that the application of pressure in the medical also. So whether it is a blood transfusion or the glucose transfusion, whatever. Vacuum cleaner, here we use the concept of pressure. Okay, the fan sucks out the air when it is being switched on, and the dust particles, they are trapped with the air. Manometer, which is being used to measure the atmospheric pressure. Hot air balloon, the hot air balloon is being used to do the weather forecasting, and these uses the concept of pressure bandage. Okay, so the pressure bandage is a bandage that's designed to apply the pressure to a particular area of a body. Okay, it is being used to minimize the swelling, protect the wound from the contamination and all. So it is again in the medical field we see positive versus the negative pressure rooms. The pressure rooms are being created, positive pressure rooms and the negative pressure rooms. This is again in the field of medical. In the positive pressure rooms have higher pressure inside the treated room than that of the neighboring environment. In this way, any airborne particle that is originated in the room will be filtered. And in contrast, the negative pressure rooms have lower air pressure. This traps and keeps potentially harmful particles within the room. So we create a high pressure and a low pressure, that is positive and the negative pressures have been created to get rid of the airborne diseases. The fluid mechanics. Okay, the fluid mechanics, that is the pressure being created by the fluids. Basically hydraulic machines are being based on these fluid mechanics, the fluid. Okay, whether you see whether it is hydraulic press, hydraulic jack or hydraulic brake. Okay, we here all the hydraulic machines are being used where the pressure is being created to lift the heavy loads. Okay, there are some fluids like oil that have tendency to exert very high pressure or force. So these fluids can be used for lifting various heavy loads. Medical ventilators. Okay, medical ventilators are having nowadays a pressure sensor is being used. Okay, so in these ventilators or the oxygen which we use, the oximeters which we are using it, so there the utilization of pressure is being used. Hospital and the portable ventilators, the manufacturers of oxygen concentrator devices require pressure sensor that are both highly accurate and highly repeatable. Okay, CPR, that is what the pressure we are giving. If any person has some problem in the heart, we give CPR so that his or her heart works properly. This is an eye scan system that is mapping pressure. These are basically being used by the civil engineers and the geothermal engineers, okay, to measure the pressure of the earth crust, to construction of the building, for the construction of the building, to measure the pressure of the earth crust over there, or to construction of factories, industries, bridges. So a pressure mapping system is being used, which is, we call it eye scan. These are being basically used by civil engineers. So you can see we use it, the pressure, the concept of pressure is being used in the medical field, the concept of pressure is being used in mechanical engineer, hydraulic machines. The pressure of concept is being used by your civil engineers and the geothermal engineers. So, ice scan pressure mapping system, the study of force and pressure exerted between the earth materials and the construction designs methods to better understand each other influences. Okay, or geotechnical engineers and the researchers, they are using the concept of pressure to study the earth's crust as well as the crust of the planets. They are sending the robots to the different planets to study the pressure of the crust of that planet, okay, so that whether it is possible for the construction or not. So other tests using ice scan systems are your landslide, which is the most common problem in the hilly area. Explore the effects of seismic activity on the building structure. The earthquakes are coming up. So these, the concept of pressure is being utilized to study that. Okay. Thank you, children.